Oh my god. Oh my god.
Cream, yummy cream. Let me eat this yummy cream. Hey guys, welcome back to Kitchen Yum. I'm Valley.
I'm Victoria.
And today we'll be making vanilla cupcakes. So, if you want like the precise ingredients and the measurements, we'll link that in the description box down below.
Ingredients are milk, flour, sour cream, baking soda, salt, vanilla extract, baking powder, egg white, sugar, and melted butter.
Let's go. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And make sure you put your cupcake liners in.
We don't know how much this is gonna make, so we'll just keep that there for now.
First, we have to sift the flour. So like basically
All the dry ingredients.
into this big bowl.
Okay, this is an automatic sifter.
Yes. Okay. So what we're going to do, right?
Bella's going to hold it and I'm going to pour it.
So to use this, all you have to do is put all the dry ingredients here, and then you press this button, and then it's gonna mix it.
So we'll put sugar in. Okay. Flour.
The
Salt.
Yeah, we need the salt, baking soda, and powder. Okay, now let's mix. Ooh,
It's really cool.
This
But
is-
it makes a really loud buzzing sound and it's kind of messy.
it's snowing. It's making my hands vibrate. It feels so weird.
It looks cool, like it spins and it makes the dry ingredients go out.
I think we should be done. These are all like the chunks of it.
Okay, so now we're going to mix together the wet ingredients, which is egg.
We're just gonna use the old bowl that we used for the flour. So we put in the butter. Now we're gonna put in the egg whites. And
Oh wait, the milk too.
can't forget about the milk.
Then
Vanilla extract.
do we put in the sour cream? Does that count as a wet ingredient?
Let's use a whisk.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Okay, it's okay. Baking could get messy.
Oh my god!
Let's mix it.
Yay!
Mm.
Oh my god!
So Victoria's still mixing all the
It's
wet.
kind of goopy.
Yeah. It
And
says
chunky.
the batter may be clumpy, but we don't have to worry about
It
that.
is. It's gooey too. Okay, now we're done whisking. So now we're going to mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Yay. I'm gonna use, we need to get all of it out of there.
All of it.
I think that's good. It smells good.
Let's mix.
I'm gonna try to mix with a spatula.
We're just gonna mix all of it.
Really, really well, or else the batter will not form. This is kind of like making dough, but except it's gonna be a little more wet. It smells good. The sour cream gives it character.
While Victoria's mixing, I'm gonna line up the cupcake sheets with these ones.
They're really cute purple polka dots.
We're using these silicone ones. So we put a bowl of hot water under the bowl. We want to have a very nice, good texture batter. So there's a few lumps still, but it's getting better. I think it's ready. So we have this thing. So you
To make it easier to,
put the batter inside the little
I have no idea how to open this.
the little cupcake molds. So we already put the liners in. Don't forget to do that. It's very important. Okay, so we're gonna put in the batter now into this thing. So we're scraping the edges of the bowl so we could get all of the mixture batter. So let's use the batter dispenser. Okay. So like just squeeze the
Okay.
Just keep on doing. And don't fill it all the way to the top because it's going to rise. Yeah.
And also the frosting. Looks really cool. I think it's low because the batter's really thick.
Our oven is preheated. Now we're going to put in the cupcakes. Be very careful.
It might be hot,
Really hot.
The cupcakes are in now. Now we're going to wait 18 minutes. So now our cupcakes are done. We're going to press off.
So we have to take some out. And remember, your parents and adults can always help you because it could be really hot.
Oh my god.
So be careful.
Oh, it rised.
Ooh.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Careful, careful.
Now
Yes.
we're going to let it cool on the top of the stove.
Okay, that looks
It's a little burn around there,
but it still looks really good. Let's eat that. Oh, that looks good. Okay, time to make the buttercream.
So first we're going to add in some butter.
And don't forget to put it into the mixer.
Let's put in a lot of sugar.
Sugar, sugar, sugar.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh!
Nothing happened.
It's okay.
Don't worry.
I mean, kids make a mess. It's a part of their job.
And it's okay if you take some sugar out because you don't want it to be too sugary. Right?
Yeah, okay. Let's add our salt in. It's just a pinch of salt.
And some vanilla extract.
Let's add our milk.
And finally, our heavy cream.
Okay, so now we're gonna lift the mixer up.
And turn it on.
Wait, okay. Turn it to 2. And mix it till it's all fluffy. So we're gonna slowly make the speed higher. So we're going to 4.
Turn it off before you take it out. We're gonna lower it. Now we're going to take this off.
Okay, so our buttercream is ready.
We're gonna put this.
I'll open it. Yeah. It'd be easier with a cup, but let's just work with what we have right now.
Okay. Not exactly what I was expecting. This frosting is very thick.
This is going to be delicious.
And thick. I'm gonna stick this to
Like this video if you like baking too. Because, I mean, baking's fun. We're gonna put what we could fit in here right now. That's probably all the way. And we're using Rosanna's Pansino's tip. Yes, yeah. And her piping bag. It's very useful. Could you open it?
I think that's all.
This is all we could fit for right now.
So now we're going to pipe it.
It's a little
stiff. But it's working.
Oh no, I feel like the top's gonna explode.
Oh my god.
Could I try?
We should probably do it from the top. This isn't looking the best, but it's our first time, so you can't blame us. You're better at piping than me. We have so much cream.
So much cream, yummy cream. Let me eat this yummy cream.
I really want to just eat it. Time for sprinkles.
So we're gonna do 3 sprinkle cupcakes and the rest will be just plain.
I'm gonna put this on the top.
I'm just going to sprinkle. See, that it looks nice.
That looks kind of cute.
I think it looks really cute. I think we're done, Victoria.
Wow.
This is the final result. This is the one that is just plain. This is the sprinkle one. What do you think?
Let's eat it!
Okay.
I will.
Ready, Victoria?
Let's choose this.
Okay.
No. Yes.
Okay. Eat
This one looks pretty.
Time to taste test it. I'm speechless. It's so good. It's a bit sweet, but if you probably have water or milk, it's probably going to be the best. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!